Hey guys, today I want to show you the difference between OK toggle and Great toggle, and we are going to make this transition in Figma. This toggle will be inspired from material design, and they have a preview how the toggle works. So what we need to do, we need first state with a small circle, then when user clicks, the circle increases but stays on the same position, and only then you see the transition goes and changing the color, and then again calming down. Let's create our circle. I used to create every element from the frame. This will be 20, and the background will be 24, and width will be 40. The length of our toggle and 2 pixels padding between. So let's place it on the right side. This will be our switch on, and now we need off. This circle on the off, I want to have 12 by 12. Let's call it off, and I'm coloring it in black, gray and stroke, but for the feel put it 20 and 30. Creating multiple components and combining them as parent and calling it switch or toggle. And for the on toggle, I want to have a shadow for the circle, so let's create it. I'm pressing 100 to see how it works. So firstly we need to have ambient occlusion, and ambient occlusion will be soft. Let's take blur 3, and from green one I want brighter, and let's make it 40 for example. And the second one, shadow, will be our cast shadow, or that is made from the key light. So let's try 40, and this one 30. Now let's make a prototype. To make a prototype, I mean, I can show you, let's show it here. If we do the prototype now only from these two states, you see the transition, the size of the circle will go through the whole frame, and actually it will be like small, then bigger, then again bigger. And I don't want to do this. I want to make it firstly changed by pressing on it to make it bigger, and then it jumps on the right side. And to do this, we need to create 2 additional states for each toggle. So for this one, we need to have bigger circle. Let's put it like this. And we had 30, let's do 20. And then for this one, the transition, right? The stroke, let's do 10. And the color, green. We have 3, 2, 1, 0. And the sizes go let's align it a bit. And let's make a prototype. So when we click on the first, it changes the size with Smart Animate, and I want to keep gentle, but I want to make transition 50. And then here will be our main transition. So after delay, because we already clicked, it's 1 millisecond because Figma doesn't allow 0, so it's almost invisible. And we are using ease in because I want to have the speed increased at the beginning, and let's make it not more than 300. So it is recommended for small interactions to have not more than 300, and for transitions between screens on x-axis around 600. Let's do 250, for example. Is in 250, okay. And when it's already on the position that we need, let's do gentle after delay, gentle, and slowly calming down 100. Here was 50, there will be after delay 1 second, there will be 100. So once again, on click, after delay, after delay. And let's check it by creating frame to present mode to be able to zoom in. Yeah, it looks small, nice. And now we need to have the transition back. To do this, we can do again click, but Figma doesn't allow us to do here delay once again because it will not recognize. So we need to have copy of the states. Let's remove okay, after delay, after delay. Okay, all good. And then when we click back, gentle, let's do 50 because here we were doing also 50, so it should go back faster. And here the transition, I want to speed to decreased at the beginning and slowing down at the end. So we need to have ease out, and before it was 250, here let's do 150 because it should be faster. And once it's done on its position, it should, after delay, 1, here, here also after delay. And gentle, 100, maybe 150 even, because the circle is big for our small one, so not to make it blink. And let's try again. Go back. Okay, it feels that it goes deep. Maybe 50. Let's do it once again. Hop, hop. And let's. Should we make check mark? Yeah, let's do a check mark. I want to copy this one. to make a icon. Oh, actually you can, okay, we can find some icon. Check mark. So lazy. Let's make it this way. Okay, actually we don't need it. Let's do a bit smaller, maybe 1 pixel. And this one we're making 0 opacity, and let's try once again. That's it.